Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by dropping the low E string to C sharp. Do it slowly and listen for pitch changes. Once the low string reads C hash, retune the other strings if needed to maintain chord shapes. Make sure your tuner is chromatic and that you back off tension to avoid snaps. While you tune, fret basic power chords and low open notes to verify the tone. If the low string feels floppy, wind more clean raps. This preserves stability before you proceed to playing. Once tuned to drop C sharp, adapt by moving familiar shapes. Power chords become 2 fret lower when based on the altered low string. You should change attack, pick slightly more edge and palm mute to tighten the low frequencies. Make sure fretting pressure isn't excessive, too much pulls pitch sharp. If you plan heavy riffing, switch to a heavier gauge string to restore tension and keep intonation stable. Also, practice transitions slowly until muscle finish by fine-tuning intonation and action so chords ring true. Small saddle moves often fix sharp or flat notes. If you hear buzzing or the low string slips, restring with a heavier gauge or add an extra wind and consider locking tuners for stability. When things go wrong, check neck relief next. A tiny truss rod tweak can remove buzz, but act in small turns and retune after each adjustment. If problems persist, consult a tech to avoid damage and keep your setup consistent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.